Hi there. Today we're unboxing the Hamilton Beach Stack and Press Food Chopper. Now, first up, let's take a look at the packaging. The box is bright and colorful, with key features clearly listed on the front. Okay, so now we're going to open the box. You'll see a user manual right on top, and the chopper parts are safely packed in eco-friendly cardboard holders, the kind you often see used for drink trays. Alright, so a closer look at the user manual. It is very detailed and easy to follow. It has everything you need to know for safe and effective use. Alright, so what's included in this setup? The blade, it's sharp and sturdy. Now the lid doesn't screw on, it just sits on top. You press down on the center to operate it. There's also an oil dripper built into the lid. The bowl is clearly marked with a max fill line so you don't overfill it. The base unit looks sleek and shiny. It definitely gives off that premium Hamilton Beach quality feel. All you have to do to use this processor is place the bowl on the base, drop the blade into the bowl, add your ingredients, cover with the lid, and press down right on top to chop. That's after you plug it in, of course. I highly recommend this food processor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.